Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to get Webull referrals in 2025. If you're into stock trading and want to earn some extra cash by sharing the love, you're in the right place. Webull is a popular trading app that rewards users for referring friends, and with updates coming in 2025, it's easier than ever to maximize your earnings. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a Webull account. If you don't have one yet, head to the Webull website or app and sign up. Use a referral link if you have one. I'll leave mine in the description so you can get started with bonuses right away. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Referrals section, usually found in the Profile or Rewards tab. Here, you'll generate your unique referral code or link. It's that simple. Now, for the fun part, sharing your code. Post it on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or send it directly to friends via text or email. Make sure to explain why Webull is awesome. Features like commission-free trading and real-time data make it a game changer. In 2025, Webull might introduce even more incentives, like higher bonuses for referrals, so keep an eye out for updates in the app. A few tips to boost your success. Be genuine and target people interested in investing, like your trading buddies or finance enthusiasts. Always follow Webull's rules to avoid any issues, such as not spamming or using fake accounts. And remember, both you and your referrals could get free stocks or cash bonuses when they fund their account. Wrapping this up, getting Webull referrals is a straightforward way to grow your portfolio in 2025. Give it a try, and you might be surprised at how quickly the rewards add up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below with your referral experiences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.